Last night I gave Elsie, Tess and Butternuts here a full trim, just with the nippers, no rasp. And I just want to see what they're like after 24 hours underneath. We'll have a bit of a look. Get your head up. Get your head away. We shall have a look at these feet here. Perhaps if I'll lift up a front one here, and I don't know if I can hold this so that you can see it. I guess we'll try. Righto, Tessie, give us this up here. What's going on here? I've got it covered. Righto, Tess, lift him up. Come on. Come on, that's a girl. Oh, look at this under here. And that's no rasp. That's just nipping it off. Niggas. By the way, that's her wound that is almost healed there, and that's just about the size of a thumbnail, a bit bigger. We'll have to see if we can have a look at this bottom hoof here. Just a look here, bub. Pick him up. Come on, that's a girl. All the way. What do we got here? Yes, that doesn't look too bad either. Needs a bit off here, but look at that. No, it's mud. Let's have a look at the butternuts here. Let's have a look at this hook here. You'll pick it up for me. Where's your foot? Here. Nutsy boy. Pick him up. That's a boy. Look at that. Where is it? That's just a nipper trim. Just a nipper trim. Bloody good feet. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. See you beautiful. See you later, Nards. Oh, good boy. Alright, one more bit of licorice, yeah, okay.